Hello students, my name is Bharat Kumar Asudani. I have more than 10 years of experience in various latest IT technologies. I teach students how to create a professional business website within 6 hours without learning any programming language, and I teach students how to create an Android or an Apple iOS app within 30 minutes of time without learning any complicated programming language. And also I teach students how they can start their first online digital marketing campaign within 6 hours. My easy courses are specially designed for entrepreneurs, students, housewives, professionals, kids who want to promote their products, services, business online, or who want to showcase their talents online. Anybody can learn these courses without any complication within a day. Once a student or learner complete the course, he or she will be able to create professional websites within 6 hours and can earn handsome money. They can create e-commerce websites, Android or Apple iOS ebook apps, can embed their website inside app within 15 minutes with notification features, and can create apps for controlling Bluetooth robots and much more. Thank you.